Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kaiser Alam from Prep Excellence. We had an amazing success with our summer programs in 2021, and we will be offering a number of courses this summer also. These include SAT, summer enrichment, coding, and college applications and essays. The SAT courses include our SAT Premium Strategies, which is starting next Monday, July 18th, and this is a 6-week course. The classes will meet Monday and Wednesday from 5:30 to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and this one teaches SAT strategies to ace the test, and we also use real SAT tests. 7 of them in these 6-week courses. We teach strategies and we also do review the tests so that the students know exactly what kind of mistakes they make and how to not make them. The SAT Comprehensive has already started. It started June 20th, and once the fundamental part stops, which is the fundamentals where we teach fundamental skills, the SAT strategies begin. So basically the second part of SAT Comprehensive is the same as the SAT Premium Strategies that is starting next Monday. Then we have the SAT Weekend Review, which is August 13th and 20th, 2 Saturdays. In this, we review all the essential strategies for all sections to boost the students' confidence. This is useful for somebody who has either already prepared and just needs to review everything quickly, or somebody who is going to begin and simply wants to get a feel for the test. This one is a very intense course because we cover pretty much all the strategies that we covered in our strategies course in just 12 hours. So that means that this is a fast-paced course, and if somebody is actually preparing for the SAT, this is not a course that I would recommend for the entire prep. This is good for a review, probably not recommended for the entire prep. For the entire prep, either the comprehensive, that one takes a while and teaches a lot of things. I've found that the students do very well if they take that, or the SAT Premium Strategies. Both of these are pretty good. Then we also have summer enrichment courses. These are also starting next week, July 18th. These are a total of 5-week courses, and these meet twice a week. Each class would be 2 hours, and the courses include pre-algebra, algebra 1, algebra 2, geometry, pre-calc, calculus and epicalc, statistics and epistat, physics and epiphysics, chemistry and epichemistry, biology and epibio, and humanities, where we teach English and history together, and we try to make it fun. What we teach in these, basically we prepare the student for a course that they're going to take next year, and we teach the most important, perhaps 3 or 4 chapters for that course. We also would review whatever they needed to know for taking this course. For example, if somebody is taking algebra 1, then they will be reviewing pre-algebra for that. If somebody is going to take algebra 2, then they would review algebra 1 at the beginning of the course, and so on and so forth. Toward the end, we do give them one test to gauge how proficient they have become. Then we have coding and computer science courses. So we will be doing a Python programming course also starting next week. And in this one, we introduce the students with no coding experience to coding fundamentals and basic Python programming. And we'll give them a few fun challenges. Then there is Java programming, which is the object-oriented language that's used for many applications, and we teach them we teach the students how to write these codes, and also There would be short assignments and some extended projects. Then we have our college application offerings, and these include our college application extended workshop. These would be, so this one would be August 5th, 6th, 12th, and 13th. And here, the students will do activities on major and career selection, then college list and selection, college visit scheduling, application process itself, letter of recommendation, saving money while applying, college cost itself, then scholarships, how about applying to Ivy League schools, resume building, basic essay training, and more. And we do plan to do cohort follow-ups in January, February timeframe, and maybe one more in March, April timeframe, so that the students can get an idea about how they are doing. And we probably will do one more middle of fall where whatever progress that the students have made, they can again check back and get any advice that they need. And then we have our college essay workshop. So this is August 19th, 20th, 26th, and 27th. Here we will first train them how to do the essay, and then they will write the essay, they will submit that essay back to us, and then we will in fact do 3 reviews of the main Common App essay. Now, if the student wants additional support, then we can provide that as well for a fee. And we have, if somebody just wants to get their college essay review, then we can do it on demand. And this would be a detailed expert review of one college essay. The approximate turnaround time is about 72 hours, but this can vary. Sometimes it is faster, sometimes it's not. So that's basically an idea about all of the courses that we are offering. If anybody has any questions, please let us know. You can email us at info@prepexcellence.com, and we really look forward to seeing you in our classes, and any other help or support we can give you. Please reach out to us. We also have one-on-one tutoring, and we'll be happy to provide that to anybody who is interested as well. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.